Baby Shark and his friends. Hello to my artist friends. How are you today? Let's dive into a very cool drawing and coloring video. Are you ready? Let's get started. It was a bright and beautiful day under the sea. Baby Shark was swimming happily with his two best friends, Oscar and Theo. Oscar was an orange shark who had just graduated from Ocean College. He wore his graduation cap proudly. Theo was a green shark, an amazing underwater architect. He always carried his explorer hat and dreamed of building wonderful things under the sea. One day, Baby Shark asked, "What do you both want to do now?" Oscar smiled and said, "I want to teach little sea creatures everything I learned in college. I want to be a teacher." Theo clapped his fins and said, "And I want to design the best underwater school for them." Baby Shark's eyes sparkled. "That sounds wonderful! Let's work together." So the three friends set off on an adventure. They searched for the perfect spot, a big open coral reef. Theo drew the plans, using shells and seaweed to design a beautiful school. Oscar gathered young fish and taught them fun lessons. And Baby Shark? Yes, he helped bring everyone together, making learning fun with songs and games. After many days of hard work, the Underwater Academy was ready. The little sea creature cheered with joy. Baby Shark smiled and said, "When we dream big and help each other, we can do anything." And from that day on, their school became the happiest place under the sea. The end. Wow, my friends, I really like that story. Do you enjoy going to your school? Would you like to go to Baby Shark School? That sounds super fun. Now let's take a look at this beautiful drawing. We're gonna have three amazing shark friends. And each of them has beautiful colors. Let's explore them step by step. Here we have the fun baby shark. We drew the baby shark together. We drew his eyes, his face and body. Baby shark looks so happy. Next to the baby shark we have Oscar. He is wearing a graduation cap proudly. And he looks super happy too. I think the shark's friends are taking a picture. They're all smiling and laughing. And the next one is Theo, our next shark. He is having a toothy smile too. He is an architect. at his hat. Great job, my friends! You are getting better and better. Wow, look at those creative lines. You are an artist in the making. Now, let's make our lines darker and color the eyes black. You are doing an amazing job. Now it's coloring time. Are your pencil colors ready? Let's dive in. First, let's color our cute baby shark. His body and fins are bright yellow. Part of his face and belly are white, so we don't have to color that. His mouth is wide open with a big red tongue and sharp white teeth. Wonderful! Next, let's color Oscar. Orange shark. Yes, Oscar is the smart orange shark. Let's color him orange. His body and fins are orange. Part of his face and belly are white. Now let's color his mouth red. Kids, let's take a look at Oscar's outfit. Looks wonderful, isn't it? Let's color his tie red. Yes, he's got a red tie. And his outfit is also dark red. Our baby shark and little Oscar are ready to go. Now let's take a look at Theo. He is super creative. Let's color him green. let's color his tongue red. Let's color Theo's outfit. His architect outfit is brown. His hat is also brown. With a darker brown band. Wonderful! Now, let's add some shadows to our beautiful drawing. Wonderful job, my friends! See you next time!